In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Hive features comparison for project management. Whether you're opening either app for the first time or weighing the pros and cons, I'll walk you through a clear, practical way to understand which one fits your team best and how to get strong results right away. At a high level, the decision often comes down to philosophy. ClickUp aims to be an all-in-one productivity suite, a true work OS that replaces your task manager, document editor, whiteboard, and even spreadsheets. Hive, on the other hand, is a communication-first collaboration hub that emphasizes speed, built-in messaging, and easy email workflows. Both now lean heavily on AI, but they approach your workday very differently. Let's start with ClickUp, the customization powerhouse. If you want a single source of truth, from high-level roadmaps down to granular subtasks, ClickUp shines. Its unified AI, often called ClickUp Brain, searches across your tasks, docs, and connected apps to answer questions or summarize projects, which is incredibly helpful when you need quick context without bouncing between tools. The hierarchy is deep and deliberate: spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. This structure scales beautifully for large organizations, agencies with multiple clients, or any team managing many moving parts. ClickUp also packs in native time tracking, workload views to balance capacity, and docs that feel like a built-in wiki. The trade-off is that the everything app approach can feel overwhelming at first. A tip here: start with a single space and a simple list view. Then layer in automations and custom fields as your team settles in. Now to Hive, the democratic workflow engine. Hive is faster to set up and prioritizes team communication. If your group thrives in real-time chat and lives in email, Hive is immediately familiar. You get robust native messaging, think Slack-like channels, right inside your projects. Hive Mail lets you plug in your email so you can turn messages into tasks and reply without leaving the app, which keeps context tight. Its modular Hive apps approach means you can toggle features like time tracking or analytics on or off, keeping the interface clean. Buzz AI can draft emails, scaffold project plans, and summarize meetings directly within Hive. The trade-off is that it doesn't offer the same deep multi-layer hierarchy or native whiteboarding that ClickUp provides. So, here's the verdict. Choose ClickUp if you need to manage complex initiatives and want your documentation and tasks consolidated in one powerful system. Choose Hive if your team lives in chat and email and you want project management that feels like a natural extension of those conversations. If you found value in today's video, tappings like really helps others discover this content. Drop a note in the comments what you enjoyed or how we can improve. We read every single one, and your feedback shapes what we build next.